Yep. We gotta cross this. Reason over creek. Because you need a reason to cross over it. Either way, go to the big rock first. It's gonna get heavier the longer you stand. Put both feet on the same rock. There you go. Nice. Oh, wouldn't be a mountain bike video without a brutal climb. Can't all be fun and downhill. So we're coming up Reason Over Creek. As you saw, we just crossed that stream with the stones. We are going to try and find a little swimming hole. We've ridden way back on the backside of DuPont by the 3 lakes a couple times, and we were never prepared to swim. This time we packed in the towel, as you can see on Kate's backpack, and we got bathing suits, snacks. We're on a mission to bike and swim. And of course, you gotta pay the price by climbing up this. Yesterday, we rode Bracken from the lot up. It makes this climb seem easy. All right, we're at the top. The Reason Over, we're going down. Seats down. Shocks are open. Oh yeah. So nice out here. Uh-huh. He just mudded me out. Oh, mud pie.
Here we go, baby.
Yeah. There you go. Bomb those things. Whoa.
Oh, get out.
Get the root. You got it. Nice. It's a nice steep little section. Woo. You got it. That's how you do it. Yep, stay up on your feet. Feel the travel. Push the bike out in front. Yee. You think you would have walked that on your other bike? Yeah, that makes all the difference. Kate just said she probably would have gotten off if she was on her tallboy at that section. And I'd say she definitely would have. Maybe we gotta go around. If it's an old wooden bridge and it says don't go on it, I would not go on it. Looked a little rickety. Oh, haha. We gotta do this. Ride or stones? All right. Oh yeah. Another little adventure. They don't feel slippery either. They feel, wow, this is cool. Probably swim right here. That's almost funner than the little wooden bridge.
This is the second little river crossing. Ooh, what's that?
Oh no.
There.
Go over there.
But it's pretty cool.
Go, baby.
And you want to go swimming here. It feels a little cold, the water.
And something big is rustling through those trees.
Yeah, that's true. All right, guys, we just left Lake Julia. We're gonna take, we went on Lake Julia Road. Now we're at Shelter Rock Conservation Road intersection. We're gonna take Shelter Rock to Airstrip up and somehow get on Mine Mountain.
Yep.
Back to the Fawn Lake parking lot.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be following Ken. I'm wearing the gear for the first time. I just put it on.
She geared up. Doesn't even feel right without the dongle.
Yeah.
No dongle.
Let's follow you.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go. I know, now he's gonna be showing off. Don't get hurt. Now I can be like, seat up, seat down. Open it up, no brakes. Show me what you got. All right. Woo! Hiya! Yo.
Really?
Yeah. Ah. Oh, I knew I was gonna hit that. Oh. Shatter. Boom. So yeah, one of our older videos from last year, Ken rolls this log right here. It's pretty cool.
It's big. It still looks big.
It's big, yeah.
It's no joke. It's bigger in person.
Mm-hmm.
I honestly don't know if I'd do it again. Try the log?
No.
Why not?
Because it's late.
Late?
It's only going to be sunny.
How about the little log?
No.
Come on, baby.
Roll it.
I did that?
Uh-huh.
Damn.
Mm-hmm. You were the man
I used to be.
for your knee.
It's not the knee. That thing's big. Climbing airstrip.
It's super fun down.
Yeah.
See what it's like up.
Not as fun.
Come through.
Thanks, just
Yep.
me.
All right, cool. All right, let's go. I kind of secretly like the break. What's up, Roots? How you doing? Boom. Did it. Nice, Kate. Rolled it. Woo. Oh, did it. 50-10's doing me right. How's my breathing sound? Heart's happy. Mind is on point. It's probably like 5:30, 6 o'clock. Maybe a little later. Should start cooling off. Oh yeah. I feel good. Not bad. Nice. Climb out. Of course. Pounding it. Oh yeah. All right, we're out. Yeah, this is a beautiful view. at the top of Airstrip. Ooh, yeah. This plane is flying. Could have like a really good Tom Petty song going right now. Among the wildflowers. All right, we're looking for Conservation Road. Taking a right, and then we're taking a right on Mine Mountain. All right, turning right. Conservation Road. Wildflowers. Mine Mountain, to the right. Yep. All right, go for it. I'm following. Follow Cam. Crazy up. You flexing, or is your arm out of socket? Just enjoying the trail. I'm not gonna look or I will fall. Woo! Sweating now. I think we're almost to the top. And then it's gonna be a fun descent. I definitely burned off those 2 beers from Augusta Brewery. Woo! And those peach pancakes from Cedar Mountain Cafe, and that goat cheese from the Brevard Market. This is the top?
Yep, ready?
Yeah, go. Seat down, all gush, open it up.
You gonna hang with me?
As much as I can. That means he's gone. He's gone. Put my seat down. Hell yeah, it's fun. Now, see, I am braking a little bit here. I like to go fast, but within control, you know? So, I think I can tail whip some of these though. So, Ken's gone. He's bombing it. You guys get to hang back with me. I don't know how fast it looks like I'm going, but I feel like I'm flying. Oh yeah, baby. Yee! Oh, a little rocky ridge. And that is why I don't open it all the way up. Yo, what's up? Damn. Nothing like a switchback with some loose rock. Nice.
Yeah, it's fun, right?
Yeah.
We're done.
Yeah.
We're leaving tomorrow.
Oh, there's so much sweat drops off your nose.
I might have to sneak out early in the morning.
Yeah, you should.
Before we leave.
Yep.
Dawn patrol.
Fun.
All
We
right.
haven't gotten out early yet.
Yeah, we should.
Yep. Folks, the tallboy, the red Santa Cruz tallboy has been awesome. But this trip, it's been sitting back at the cabin. I might have to take this one off Ken's hands and sell the tallboy. So hit me up if you want a 2016 beautiful red tallboy. It's a size small. And she's been well taken care of. Tuned up, lubed up. All right, I'm back. Signing off.